Then Dyema ain't go part the war between Shay and Jaden. I said I cry last night, so till. Dyema I cry. Dyema I cry now. When I see what Shay and Jaden are going, you know. Imagine Dyema Shay really come here, come be best man. I know them kick off. And then true Shay want to cause your era Mr. Keith. Cause she want to take the eat. Then Dyema why they have to come out and call me Mr. Keith. No, make everybody a call. Dyema for me I call me Mr. Keith. I find a much great ear for my front. So good afternoon everyone. How you guys do? No man, how me I talk so? Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How you guys doing this afternoon? And afternoon it a man, you know, just after at 11. I must say try foreign my day just look different. When you're overseas, sorry for who don't have any visa. But when you're overseas it's completely different. The vehicles sound different, the dust is different, the sun is different, everything is so damn different. Hi you guys, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? I want to send out special Mother's Day greetings to Jaden. Special Mother's Day greetings to Jaden. Your mother, a whole heap of girl, including Shay. So I want to say, be strong. Sometimes you go, you pick them Jaden and them wayward. You understand me? The money is different. Thank you, my baby. Jordy, one girl? Yeah, so Jaden, I am in your corner. As much as though he's a dirty, nasty, thinking germs a drunk. I gotta say that. But I am in your corner. You understand me? Don't let the internet get to you and get you down. Remember, you got a bitch right, yassa. Okay? So don't feel tipsy. Don't feel tipsy now, JJ. Okay? Yeah. So just so you know, no girl can get the best of you. No girl. My condolences, my baby. Speaking of your mother died, me say imagine after them keep 9 night for my auntie. When was the 9 night? Friday night? I don't even know when my auntie did, you know. I want to tell you my brother called me. When I tell you my brother called me. After them keep 9 night for my auntie. Lord, I'm not even remember so the lady died. Why? And it's not like she live out of the community right now. Community she live with me in 2 roads apart from we. 2 roads. But one next lady died on my road. Oh God, the woman that grew me. She named Ginger. She grew me. She died mostly last night. Jesus have mercy. They know I feel it for Ginger more than my auntie. They know what kind of hypocrite me be. No man, then my body now work well. Yeah. Ginger. Oh God. I love Ginger can't cook, you see. Boy, when people gone, you know, get to tell them, I like me to tell her. I'm glad me to tell her. Ginger can't cook, you see, and she always did it for my mother. She always did it for my mother. Ginger always did it for my mother. Always in my mother corner. For sure, whether it want to be with family, friends or for. Yeah. Relationship for sure it. Here is the relationship for sure discover. I feel it for Ginger more than my auntie. Ginger, long time veteran, you know. I think Ginger was the last Rockstone leaver Franklin Town. Ginger, long time veteran. Long time veteran. One Ginger. Me not let me feel it. And me can't feel it for my auntie all me I try. Me can't feel it for my auntie. No, I can't feel it for my auntie for sure. My auntie always wicked me. But when me hear say ginger pass off, me nah lie, me feel it fair for true. Everybody love ginger and I don't care who cause ginger, you have to love ginger. You have to love ginger, cause one thing with ginger, she tell you, I'm Jesus. Hey, don't argue with ginger. Please, if you argue with ginger, go in. You're gonna get the famous skin out batty. She gonna draw down her clothes and tilt her bottom gear. She tilt her bottom gear now. Oh God, don't argue with and ginger can't cause. The pot, caca fat. Martin, do me a favor. Block some of them people here for me with on my program. Block some of them people with on my program right now. Right now. Me I beg you, Martin, just block some. Me not care who you want block, just walk through and block. Just block right now, me I beg you. You know, say when I go on them a pot a catch. Suppose to make the boy food burn up. When I go on the end of the pot a catch, you know. You see how long Martin just start block for me, you know. I be a hypocrite upon my program, you know. Me have nothing to say to one of this man, me a focus. Me a focus. I don't know who tell, I wish drunk or tell me say the pot. I wish drunk or tell me so. I like most the boy food burn up. It hurt me, say. It hurt me. God bless the hummingbird will tell me. God bless the American eagle will remind me say the pot upon the fire. Me don't want a friend from you know. Today on Mother's Day, I don't know why I'm burn up the boy food. Wouldn't all that care about me? Wanna just in the argument, so in the argument. Wanna know ginger? Wanna know ginger from? Eh? Wanna know ginger from? And that may I ask you. Wanna just in the argument. May I talk to you now? Wanna just in the ginger saga, Wanna too fast. As much as I can take on you. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all of you know. Dyema good as! Dyema! Me have a class in figure, you know. Me have a rub out figure, you see that thing can rub up. Me have a rub out figure. Then Dyema, you know, go part the war between Shay and Jaden. I said I cry last night, so too. Dyema, I cry now. When I see what Shay and Jaden are going, you know. Imagine them and Shay really come here, come be best man. I know them kick off. And then true Shay want to cause your ear and Mr. Keith. Cause she want to take the eater. Then them and why they have to come out and call me Mr. Keith. No, make everybody a call. Them and for me I call me Mr. Keith, I find a much great ear for my front. No man. Them and me don't know how me you're gonna make it out, you know. But from you come out and you call me Mr. Keith, me have to shave all 4 times a week. Me say the white people them just a pop up so, at Dyema me have to go under 25 watt bulb go grinding and sometime blackout. Because me can't use this, me can't show people this. Then you can imagine, from you come out with a Mr. Keith. And I know, oh God Dyema, cause you did mean what you say. You did plan for do me them evil, yeah. You did plan for do me them wickedness, yeah. Me never do nothing bad in my life. Me say from Dyema come out and say, Mr. Keith, me hold me head. Me say afraid for beard. Afraid. Dyema make me afraid for touch myself. What I ever do in a life, I never read one bad word about you yet. From everybody on the internet, from a dip on the internet, and anybody with dip on the internet will know me. Always know say, whether you're wrong or you're right, I always say, Dyema, Dyema, Dyema. I never say. But nevertheless, if it happened to Shay and Jaden, much more we. Somebody said grey hair symbolize wisdom. The crutch is bright. Oh, grey hair, the crutch is to symbolize wisdom. I don't want to cuss and go on bad today. Mother's Day, I try to hold it. Me not know because me not even bright up here so much as say bright down here. So then my body I work upside down, me topsy-turvy. No man. No, when the doctor will draw me out of my mother, I want to find them. And them cause this and them hold me wrong. Them hold me wrong. Me say from them I say Mr. Keith. Me say grey hair I run down my crutches, me a fear run. This not right. Before God and all mankind, Dyema me need back my age. Dyema me want back my age. My born in the time when a digital birth paper. Me know that for sure. Me born in the time when it's digital birth paper. You not trick me. And where I get to the bottom of it. You not trick me, man. This is a prank. This is a prank. I go look back in my crotch. This must be a prank. Somebody must lace me with lady glow. Me not ask you. After white I come purple. Because I saw the old people them head looking. Oh. A long time Christians are wear colored hair. And my great granny used to go to church with purple hair. And talk about a lady glow hair. The lady not glow underneath me. She just white way. It is sad. Me need back my age. Whether I want to say me a 99 or what, it's not supposed to show up on me. And I age kill people, I worry, you know. I mean, no one drop in that state there. Me not traveling people up on the internet, you know. And then them have the audacity to swing by just to remind me, hey, you ain't no chick. And that she said to me, you ain't no chick. Only can't give me one day. I have a gift basket for your auntie. Even before God and all mankind. See if you can sell the gift basket and buy yourself a man. You're lonely, you know. You're lonely. You think you make me go my bed go dream about you, bitch? Me not do girl, you know. I only my stickers that send me request. My stickers go bed now. Let me see the pants. Then when I see the pants all over. From me up on the fridge shop me wear the pants, yeah. Eh? You have to have a gift basket for me. And I bet you're not cooking Sunday dinner. Why you not use the money cook something? I could have lizard and rice. Use the money cook something, man, Evan. Do something. I wonder if Shay wake. Shay wake. You saw Shay send back Jaden to Rosalie. At least make me afraid to know, you know. Shay, me know why you take no set Pamela like how you and Jaden no friend now. You see like how you and Jaden no friend? Me know why me have talk to my man King over here, so.
Happy Mother's Day, darling. I just got my later today, so.
Hey, happy Mother's Day to you too. Happy Mother's Day. You put on Queenie Dribbler?
Yeah.
Oh, happy Mother's Day. How you doing? Then I saw you suck ice and spit back in a glass. Hey, girl, move from out of the camera. I did something make good and you mash up, you know.
Shebada, you know, afraid of bees.
Get the pants there. I will get the pants there. Get the pants, yeah. Get
My
the
pants look good no blow.
I get the
Good.
pussycat pants there. Yeah, suck your
No.
mother pants.
You brighty, girl. Hey, I them something you for sale.
A pure pussy look for me. What's
Meow. 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 I them something for sale, Shay. You brighty. You know what is?
What on?
You know which brand is?
No, me no know it. Meow,
A
meow.
little Louis with a dash of Balenci. One of the foot them a Louis and the next foot is Balenci.
Meow, meow, meow. It's the pants is giving cat.
Yeah. You mad? You never watch Puss in Boots?
No.
Well, see a cat in the pants.
Cat did a boy. All your body have a cat. Cat a look for me so.
So you know what that?
Why are them
You know-
favor mackerel on your back there so?
One of them favor oh? You never chat mackerel for my program. You never chat mackerel for this mackerel of my friend.
Now me I tell you what look like her. Run her back for. Check it. Look again.
No, mackerel of my friend, you know. So come in now. Oh, you mean your class Jaden last night, but you have secrets from Jaden.
Me don't know who name so.
No, that is the last night. Me have screen recording.
Me no Anna me at the air.
Are you in the same hairstyle where you catch up now? You can't hear me well today.
No, I will.
Shay, no spit by the ice in that glass. Jesus have mercy, man, Shay. Shay, when you don't eat the ice, you calm me, but my little stomach weak, Shay, my baby. Oh, you pan him the ice, Lord Jesus. Lord, man. Me eat dirty, Shay, you know. Me eat dirty, she know my stomach weak, you know. That's why I don't drink ice at party, you know. I don't drink ice elsewhere. I can't wait for she done name the ice to come back, you know. Because I want you to chat about Jaden. Because I see Jaden last night, you know. I see Jaden last night. I go over him house. Where Jaden? Where Jaden live? And the pants is fabulous. I'm not lie, you know. I'm looking for a bargain. I'm looking for a store. I need something. The pants say I'm going to carry when I go shop. Because I have to lift something. Eh? Go change my boss. You could have outer hard and bright. Then you think you could have made me take off this? Come here. You know, say me go to the road right now. Everybody say me fabulous over you. Eh? Oh, go change the shirt. Oh, no. No, we can't go change the shirt. Them, go put on the shirt. Ta-da!